Hi there, TRS 099 students. Welcome to learning activity number 3. This learning activity will be about metacognitive thinking. What is metacognitive thinking? Well, in short, it's thinking about thinking, or at least thinking about your own experiences as it relates to an event or an activity that you just experienced. So, since you just completed your first major assignment in English 101, metacognitive thinking allows you to think about that experience of writing your first essay. Now, metacognitive thinking can be broken down into a few categories, and we're going to cover those categories in this learning activity. As you'll see from the directions, it covers basically what I'm looking for, and at the end, you'll see a bunch of questions that I want you to answer for the learning activity. So, the first category is content knowledge. Content knowledge helps learners understand their capabilities and how to improve in the future. So, for example, I am a mountain biker. When I assess my capabilities, I know that I have intermediate to advanced skills based on my fitness, my abilities, and by comparing my skills to other riders. Thus, when I race, I sign up for the expert class because I know that I'll be competitive in this class. So, content knowledge basically allows you to assess your own abilities at this current time. And that allows you to then improve in the future. It's always about improvement, especially when it comes to college homework and college studies. The second category is what we call task knowledge. Task knowledge basically allows learners to evaluate the difficulty of a task and their performance in that task. So, another example, after my mountain bike race, I can evaluate how well I did in relation to my expectations, the race course, and my competition. So, when you're looking back at your first essay, you want to evaluate how difficult was that task compared to your expectations. All right. How difficult was that first assignment and how did you do in relationship to that difficulty? The final category is what we call strategic knowledge. Strategic knowledge allows you to plan strategies on how to improve for future success. So, for example, I can alter my training strategies as a mountain biker to improve my finish in a future race. So I hope that this PowerPoint in this lecture video helps you understand what we mean by metacognitive thinking. It's thinking about your own experience, um, maybe when you write an essay or when you do a race or whatever you might do, and how to improve for the future.